Introducing the BISSELL Little Green Mini Cordless Portable Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner, a compact yet powerful tool designed to make deep cleaning simple and stress-free. This limited edition version in Dusk Pink isn't just eye-catching, it's highly functional. With BatteryBoost Plus technology, users can enjoy up to 20 minutes of uninterrupted cordless cleaning, perfect for tackling quick messes and spot cleanups. The BatteryBoost Plus mode is cleverly engineered to optimize performance, preserving battery life when cleaning surfaces efficiently. Whether you're dealing with a spilled drink on the couch or dirt tracked onto the carpet, this little machine delivers solid results with no cords getting in the way. Cut to scenes of pet stains, messy car seats, and furniture being cleaned. The BISSELL Little Green Mini may be small, but it doesn't hold back when it comes to power. It offers strong suction, capable of pulling out deep-set stains, embedded debris, and even stubborn pet messes. This makes it ideal for high-traffic homes, car owners, or pet parents. The included 4-inch tough stain tool, designed with a removable lens, helps focus the cleaning power exactly where it's needed. It's especially effective on tight spots and fabric corners. And when you're done, simply connect the Hydro Rinse self-cleaning hose tool to flush out the hose and keep your equipment hygienic and ready for next time. No fuss, no residue, just a cleaner space with less hassle. Demonstrate ease of movement, carrying the cleaner and storing it on a shelf or under a sink. Weighing only 7 pounds, this is BISSELL's most lightweight and compact cordless deep cleaner to date. It's incredibly easy to carry up and down stairs, move between rooms, or even pack in the trunk of a car for on-the-go detailing. Living in a small apartment, RV, dorm room, or camper? No problem. Its space-saving design makes storage a breeze. Just tuck it into a closet, under a counter, or even on a shelf. Despite its portable size, it delivers a professional-level clean that you usually only get from bulkier machines. And thanks to the included 8 ounces. BISSELL Little Green Formula, you'll get instant stain removal with a fresh, odor-free finish every time. This formula doesn't just mask odors, it eliminates them, leaving your fabrics looking and smelling new. Show before and after shots of cleaned upholstery, Happy Pet, and BISSELL Pet Foundation logo. What makes this cleaner even more special is the mission behind it. With every purchase, BISSELL contributes to the BISSELL Pet Foundation, helping rescue and support pets in need. So, not only are you investing in a cleaner home, you're also making a difference in an animal's life. That's the kind of impact worth supporting. Whether you're a pet owner tired of accidents, a parent facing snack time spills, or a car enthusiast who wants spotless seats, the BISSELL Little Green Mini Cordless is a practical, powerful, and thoughtful solution. It's simple to use, easy to clean, and always ready for action. Compact in size, bold in color, and big on results, this cleaner is proof that great things come in small cordless packages.